Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. The Bitcoin has been doing not too well, but a little well, moving from 18,100 down to 20,200, 2,300 is something for those who entered the trade from a very good point, maybe at the point of 19, maybe from the point of 18,500, must have taken profit above this place of 20,500. That is a huge trade. So if you took that trade from that point, that is a huge trade. You must have made a huge profit. Must have made a huge profit. Okay, you must have covered up to 10%. Come on guys, 10%. You know what that means? 10%. You must have made 10%. Even if you use 10x, 10 leverage, man, with just $100, you must have made a huge amount of money. So this is not what we're here to talk about today. I'm here to show you guys about the revise that is in Bitcoin, the descending falling wave that is about to occur, which might play out, which might not play out. But if you could clearly see that Bitcoin has been unable to break out of this zone here since this descending wave started from this point here. Bitcoin has been unable to break out of this zone. If you could keep a very good look at the chart, you could see what Bitcoin has been doing so far. It has been unable to break out of this particular zone here. So take a look guys. This shit happened right here, and then since then Bitcoin descended so low. I'm gonna bring out the RSI so you could see clearly that the chart has been going that way, and they try from this angle right here just to come and break up, but it was never possible. See, it was never possible. Everything remained under this particular zone here. It was never possible, and then it came up to this place again, managing, and then fell too bad again, and then the ranging stayed in here and then continued to slow rate just to come out. It was never possible for them. They remained down there again, and then it was manageable to come out of this zone here, which we've gotten 3 already, not able to break out, and then this particular time here we are having it right here. We're having it right here. This is what we are having. 3 consecutive time, guys. 3 consecutive times, guys. This is, you see, 3 consecutive time. This shit has been playing down here, and you could see yesterday Bitcoin went high and it's about to break way down again. Let me bring out the RSI so you guys will just see what I'm trying to say in the RSI, because it's playing out very well. So guys, here is the RSI. Take a very good look at the RSI. You could see the RSIs have done an overbought right here. You see what happened at this point here. The same thing happened at this point. See from this angle right here. You see, same thing happened up here, and then it keep ranging. This range over here is what has been happening at this particular zone right here. This range right here. You see, this range right here is what has been happening at this zone here again, at this zone here again. The mass has not been able to break out, and then it tried to pull back, which was at this particular zone here. It tried to pull back, it tried to bounce back again. Look at it here. The same thing played out here again, and then there was a bounce back which took it lower. See, at this lower zone here, this is it. I don't know if you guys will understand what I'm trying to say, but you could see Bitcoin try to bounce up again, which is at this point here. If you could clearly draw this zone to this zone here, if draw this zone to this zone here, you could draw this zone down to this zone here. Sorry, draw to this zone here. You could see that it has done an overbought. The RSI has done an overbought, and it's showing us a pin down. It's showing us a pin down. It's trying to tell us that, guys, see, I have tired of moving. I'm about to drop down here. You could see that the RSI is showing us a pin down, which is clearly telling us that I am about to drop. See, so basically that is what I'm seeing on the chart here. I do believe that Bitcoin might be dropping down. I do believe that Bitcoin might be dropping down from this zone right here, possibly drop below 18k like we always keep our target, possibly drop below 17k, possibly drop below 16 to 15k. I'm telling you guys, possibly drop below to 15k. It is clearly showing on the chart. Possibly came back to this zone right here, possibly coming back to this zone right here, because it can't keep testing this zone for 4 executive time and it will not drop massively. So if Bitcoin do not respect the zone of 20k and then fall below, our expectation should be around this 15k, because I believe 17k will not be able to hold this chart again. 17k will not be able to hold this chart again. So that is what I'm seeing on the chart. But if you should come down to the weekly time frame, you could see that there's a whole lot of opportunity. The weekly time frame for the first time has been bullish this week. Has been so bullish for the first time this week. The weekly time frame has been so bullish. I'm going to take you guys there so you could see the weekly time frame. But if you are looking at the chart from this hourly time frame, which is 4 hours, you could see that the market is telling you that, guy, I am done. I'm done running. I have climbed up to my expectation. I want to come down. This is what the market is trying to tell us on the MACD here, which if we study the MACD very well, you could see that the market has been respecting the MACD. An overbought happened up here, and then you see the fell, which fell down to this place, and then another pickup which was at this particular zone of 20k, and then drop back again, which was at this particular zone of 18,600. The MACD keep moving and then the market keep following. So I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying. We might be expecting a potential dump again from any moment from now. Let's go to the daily time frame and then I will show you guys the weekly time frame before we call it the day. So guys, this is the daily time frame. You see, this is the daily time frame. Same thing we're fighting for. Same thing Bitcoin is trying to fight for. See, same descending wages playing out here already. And if you could take a look at this, let me widen it a little bit, you could see that the daily time frame has formed bearish candle. The market might be dropping so soon, because I keep telling you guys that our war, the war that Bitcoin is trying to form, is just within this circle here. Bitcoin is trying to form within this circle. If Bitcoin should manage to come up to this point of 24k, we are out of the fear in the market will be lesser. But you could see that from this point of 20k to 24k is too far than it is from this point of 20k to 16k. 16k is looking a little bit more closer because of what Bitcoin has done. Because of what it has done, I'm telling that of experience, because of what it has done. So see, it has done here, and then done here, and then here, and then here, and then here, here. You see, it has done 7 attempts to break down, and then if you come up here, it has only done, which if I say it clearly, let me just say it has done just 3 times. 3 attempts to break out. That is what Bitcoin has done. So the potential dump is just huge. It's huge. The potential dump is huge. Let's take a very good look at the weekly time frame, and then you know where the market will be keeping us for today. Guys, this is the weekly time frame. Like I told you guys, it is bullish. The weekly time frame is bullish. But at the same time, see the MACD, the weekly time frame is looking bullish even on the MACD. It means if the MACD should come above what it did right here when Bitcoin did this point of 60k, that means the market is still looking huge. But if you take a look at the closeness of this market coming down to this point of even 10k, it's just too possible. Yeah, the market is just too possible. And then take a very good look at the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum chart is playing out where Ethereum may end up doing the highest percent for the week, for the year. This is the Ethereum chart. Every single step we put on the Ethereum chart should be retested. To be retested to this point of $900. Should be retested from this zone now. Every point that we've set up for Ethereum should be retested to this point of $900. If this plays out and then Ethereum is moving, there will be no more dump on Ethereum much again. So see, the chart is clear. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let it be a discussion comment section, guys. I really want to know where the market will be going. Share your ideas with me. Help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. Help us like and leave a thumb up on this video. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video.